Hello, my name is Victoria Snoddy, and I will be teaching you how to perform multiple operations of matrices. So what exactly is a matrix? According to Merriam-Webster, the definition of a matrix is a rectangular array of mathematical elements that can be combined to form sums and products with similar arrays having an appropriate number of rows and columns. So what are matrices even used for? They can be useful for multiple applications within physics. They can help calculate gross products in economics. They're also very useful for organizing survey data because you can have multiple categories within a matrix. Matrices are basically a way to take a large group of data and perform operations as a whole. Today I will be showing you how to add, subtract, and multiply matrices. I've created two sample matrices with arbitrary numbers. We have sample matrix A right here, and here's sample matrix B. The first thing we will need to do is name each matrix in Excel. We will do this. We will start with sample A. We'll do this by highlighting matrix A. You will right-click, click on Define Named Range. Over here we'll pop up on Add a Range, and we're going to call this one A since it is matrix A, and we will click Done. We will do the same thing for matrix B. Highlight the whole matrix, right-click, define named range, and type B. If you scroll over them, you can see that it will highlight, it will have a little box around each matrix so we know that we have those ranges and they're named in Excel. Now that they're named, it will be a lot easier than having to highlight the data later on when you perform our operations. The first thing we'll start off is adding the two matrices. So what we will need to do is we will highlight a 4x4 grid below. Once we have this, up here you go up here and you will type equals and then A, which is matrix A, and then B. If you named your matrix D and then the other matrix C, then you would do matrix D plus matrix C. This is just for our sample. The next step is very important. Since this isn't actually a function, we will need to create the function. In order to do that, we will hold Control and Shift at the same time and then press Enter. So holding Control and Shift down at the same time, we press Enter. Then Array formula pops up. You need to make sure that that pops up. If not, it'll give you an error. You click Enter, and now we have matrix A plus B. I'll go ahead and name A plus B for future reference. The next thing we will do is learn how to subtract matrices. It's very similar to addition. It is just you highlight a 4x4 grid. Up here, you will type in equals, and for this example, I'm going to subtract B from A, so I will type in A minus B. Make sure that each of your data is highlighted like before. We will need to create a function like with addition, so holding Control and Shift at the same time, then press Enter. Array formula pops up. Good, we press Enter. So now we have our matrix A minus B, so I will go ahead and name it A minus B. The next thing we will learn how to do is multiplying matrices. Multiplying matrices actually has a function that we can enter. So we'll go ahead and start with highlighting a 4x4 grid like before. Since we have a function, we will equals MMULT. As you can see, the matrix product of two matrices. So this is already in Excel. We will push parenthesis. We have matrix A and then comma matrix B. End parenthesis, they're both highlighted. It will multiply matrix A times B. Since this is already a function, we do not need to hold down Control and Shift as we press Enter. You may just press Enter. Now we have our matrix A times our matrix B. So I will name this matrix A times matrix B. Now you have learned how to add, subtract, and multiply your matrices. Thank you.